What is going on, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to get free PlayStation Network codes. A buddy of mine recently showed me the site and it's been working amazing, so I'm really excited to finally be able to share this with you guys. So what you're going to want to do is go on the site called localcodes.club, and once you're on the site, what you're going to want to do is scroll down to the PlayStation Network icon and tap on it. And once you're on this page, you're going to hit the $50 gift card, and it'll be connecting to the server. Do note that you can do this as many times as you want, so you may only get $50 initially, but you can come back and do this again until you have the amount of money that you need. So it'll be generating the key. This does not take long at all. It only takes a few seconds, and once it is done, you're going to hit recover my free PlayStation key, and it will bring you to this page where you're going to have a list of apps to download. And what you're going to do is pick out one of the apps. I'm going to pick BetterNet VPN Proxy, and it'll bring you to the App Store where you can start the app download. So you're going to want to go ahead and do that. Once the download is complete, you can hit open, and depending on the app that you chose, it may prompt you to start a free trial, but you're just going to want to go ahead and cancel any trial that is offered. You do not need to pay for any of this. What's really important here is that you use the app for at least 30 seconds. This is to allow the website enough time to recognize that you actually did download the app and opened it. So once you've used it for about 30 seconds, you can return to the website that you came from on the same browser, and you will find your code revealed, which you can redeem. And that is it, guys. It's that quick, it's that easy. Comment down below if you need help or if you have a question, and I will do my best to help you out. Peace.